Alright, the first thing you want to do is find the center of the table. And that mark represents the center. Now you want to measure over to the right 21 1/8 inches and make a mark. And then from the center line to the left, the same thing, 21 1/8 inches. Then you're going to take your left universal bracket, and the left universal bracket has the tab on the outside. Line it up with the mark, 2 screws, and you could put a lag screw in to the side through a hole. Right, now measure between the outside of the top. The outside to outside should be about 42 1/4. Yep. And then the inside tabs from there, from here to there, should be about 39. And it's okay if it's off a little bit because it's going to depends on how much torque you put on the screws. All right, so now you're going to mount the machine. The top one. I'm going to go all the way to the back. That one's over too far, but there you go, that one, and then I would just swing that, and then you just tighten that up. There you go. Tighten that up. Alright, and that's it. Now to compensate for any kind of dip that the machine might have made, then you would just simply turn these